Probably.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay. We move, huh? Come on.
Give her a kiss. She will.
Saudi Cup. Come on, look at me, look at me. Yeah, you like your mobile, huh?
I would be really shocked. I would be really shocked if
They throw garbage and trash can into the track. Say that, oh, I bought so fucking expensive ticket, and now the race stopped. But they know someone died. So what the heck? Hold on a second. I'm just going to get Plea to it.
Oh, this coffee is so strong I might have to go again.
Has the guy gone away?
yeah, it's coming back.
Yeah, I've done it with
I always have a habit. So want to remember which year I went and what bike I took. Paper inside your hat.
I wonder what the certificate looks like.
I saw it. A little bit smaller than mine, but it has original stamp and the signature.
Yours cooler than mine?
Yeah. Having a good
Why?
time.
You go to toilet? That's
Can you
plenty
lean back?
along the way.